Lots of work, this poor baby. I don't know what we're gonna do. This thing needs to get freaking fully rehabbed.
Left stand cylinder, piston.
No brakes at all. So, but it does run. Come on, what else did you do before you start it up? Freaking fully rehabbed. Car that was jamming out, so big up. Black Widow Farm. Fully rehabbed.
Clean up the wheels again and make her nice and pretty again. We can do that. Still running great. I'll put a warranty on this bike. And yeah, we'll go from there. So Lindy Lou's going to get some great pictures of this. All right, so this is a medium metallic blue paint, and the frame is gray. Full restoration. This is 74 Eldo double disc, and it's also got S&M spots. It's got a siren bracket. This thing's ready for a siren. It's got the siren lever already on it. Take a look at this. So. Yeah, we're ready to, that thing's just ready to go. There's the tank. Show them the tank, Lindy Lou. Since you painted the tank, you got to get credit on that. It's a great deal and beautiful bike. We'll do a drive off, drive by. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll see. Thank you guys for checking out the video and appreciate it. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff.